How to recharge Amazon Prime Video. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to recharge your Amazon Prime Video membership. Whether you're using a monthly or annual plan, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure that you can keep enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon Prime Video website or launch the Amazon Prime Video app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, check my previous tutorial on how to create one. Once you're logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists section at the top right corner of the homepage. In the drop-down menu, click on your Prime membership, and this will take you to the Membership Management page. On this page, you can see details about your current membership plan, including your renewal date and payment options. If your membership is about to expire, you might see an option to recharge or renew it. If you see the option to renew membership or update payment method, click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Amazon accepts various payment methods, so choose the one that suits you best. After entering your payment details, click Continue or Confirm Payment to complete the recharge process. You should see a confirmation message once your payment has been processed. You will also receive a confirmation email. To ensure everything is set, go back to your Prime membership page and check your membership status. You should see your new renewal date reflecting the recharge you've just made. And that's how to recharge your Amazon Prime Video membership. Keeping your subscription active means you won't miss out on any of your favorite content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.